Pero ngayon, bago yan, ano kaya ang nasa isip ng ating apat na dilag ngayong malapit na nilang makuha ang IS Honor sa Talentadong Pinoy? Let's watch this. Congratulations, Tribal Dancers! Talentado kayo, Tribal Dancers! Get ready for a new act, Tribal Dancers! Sina Tribal Dancers! Congratulations, ladies!
First laban namin, nakalaban namin si Yo-Yo Tricker. Hindi kami pinalad.
Natawagan na po kami for the comeback edition. Doon po namin ibinigay lahat ng mga galing namin.
In our second week, winner at defending champion in Talentadong Pinoy, we did something different, yun yung poker face.
Third time na pala namin na nanalo sa Talentado. Doon namin nilabas na yung pagiging tribal dancers namin.
Ika-fourth win namin. Medyo kinabahan kami dahil nakalaban namin si Little Beyonce. So, napaka-cute niya and very, ano siya mag-perform talaga that time.
Ngayon, nakarating kami dito, ang aming pang-fifth. Nag-hope kami na mabigyan pa rin namin kayo ng isa pang full performance galing sa aming tribal dancers.
Ngayon natin mapapatunayan kung sino sa dalawa ang may tunay na lakas. Hatid sa inyo ng Cobra, the #1 ready-to-drink energy drink. Tunay na lakas.
Here to present their make-or-break performance in their quest to get into our Hall of Fame, here's our 4-week defending champion, the Tribal Dancers.
I go by the name of CL21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine.
Tribal Dancers, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Tribal Dancers, dito kayo sa aking tabi. Teka muna, baka ako'y masabitan nung ano. Takot ako eh. Okay, Tribal Dancers, pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ng ating talent scouts. Tuesday, ano sa tingin mo?
Nakakaloka! Gusto ko ng ganyang talent! Nakakaloka! Ayan yung sinasabi siguro ni Miss Sherina Glitz. Yung talagang may sparkle kayo. Pagpasok nyo, kinakanta nyo yung song nyo. Yung kembot nyo, feel na feel nyo talaga. Tapos natuwa ako sa'yo nung pagpasok mo yung, hindi ako natatakot. Kahit masunog ako, okay lang. Ganon. Ang saya-saya mo lang. Ganon. Tapos ikaw, ang sexy mo, yung nasa gitna, yung naka-red. What's your name?
Zam.
Yeah, Zam. Oh, so, sorry. Zam ang pangalan niya. Bongga kayo. Pwede ko kayo i-book actually. Punta kayo sa bahay. Mag-ano tayo doon. Mag-party tayo. Mag-fire party. Para masaya. Panalo.
Thank you very much, Tuesday. Tama. Okay, Cherie.
Tama. That's what I call entertainment. And also a pleasure to watch. Sabay-sabay sila. Mahirap pa sabayin yung i-coordinate yung fire. They are having fun. They all look lovely. Music is young. They're young. Woman power. Brave.
Thank you very much, Cherie. Direct.
Gusto ko yung outfit nila kasi hindi na sila tribal dancers. Urban dancers na sila. Urban na. Oo, parang gano'n na dating. At saka nag-iba yung look nila, yung hairstyles. Yun, I was telling the girls kanina, magagaling yung mga kalaban ngayon, no? But, you know, sometimes you base a champion on an overall act. Magaling na yung talent, may konsepto, may costumes, may entertainment, may showmanship, andyan na lahat eh. So, you know what? I think you're gonna go home richer today.
Tama!
Thank you very much, Direk Odi. Maraming salamat, Talent Scouts. Tribal dancers,